am Kevin Stewart, the CEO of the Carolina Museum of the Marine, and I have some exciting news to report. Construction is underway for the museum. Samet is there today. They've mobilized, they've established a trailer, the fencing of the site, and all their operations are underway. And I'll just say, first and foremost, just really been impressed with Samet in terms of their safety protocols, their procedures of how they're bringing in all the different subcontractors that are going to work on a project to ensure that we maintain a high standard and construct a museum that's going to last a very, very long time. So fully mobilized, construction underway, and really we're focused right now on the site prep. So we've got M&W Land Improvement, and they're doing all the leveling and moving things around and getting ready. We've got the temporary electrical set up out there by LI Construction, and then Cape Fear Engineering has, our surveyor has basically plotted the location of where the actual building layout on the site, and so that's all been surveyed and complete. So coming up, we'll continue with the land improvement and the site prep, and that's all leading to DeMaio concrete. We'll actually start pouring the foundation and the concrete and the footings for follow-on construction as we start to prepare to go vertical. So great work by Samet to mobilize. We're preparing the land and getting ready to start putting down the footings so we can start moving forward. So all is going very well with construction, and so it's exciting to report and appreciate all the support that you provide. We would not be here today building this world-class museum without all your support. So thank you very much. Semper Fi.